Stop holding the rifle like an idiot. If you got one of these, use it. Welcome back to Bullets and Brass, folks. Today we're covering something that really is one of my pet peeves. If you've watched any of my other videos on using a rifle off a bench or a bipod or a rest or anything like that, something I see a lot of, even by people who really are excellent shooters. Number one, don't hold the front of the rifle. That's why it's a supported position. If you don't need your hand there to keep the rifle in place, get your hand off the front of the rifle. It can be used to support the back of the rifle as if it's a little monopod. Usually you want a little sandbag or a beanbag or something in your hand. If you're going to have extra magazines sitting there ready to reload the rifle, put them on your left side or almost directly under the rifle. A little to the left, but under the rifle. The reason for this is your left hand is going to be the one reloading the rifle. The exception to this is if you are hand loading individual rounds into an internal magazine. Position the ammo accordingly. The next item on the list, gripping the rifle tightly with your trigger hand. Your grip is light. It's loose. It is not torquing on the rifle. It is not manipulating the rifle any more than it absolutely has to. You may need to have some backward pressure from the front to seat the rifle into your shoulder. But you really don't want to have to be holding the rifle up any more than you have to with that hand, and you don't want tension on that hand. If you have tension on that hand, you introduce more tremors, more vibration. Next item on the list is not adjusting the rifle to match your body shape. Now, this is one of those things where obviously if you're borrowing a rifle or if you're shooting a rifle that is not particularly adjustable, you have to work with what you've got. Pistol grip angles, again, prone versus offhand, even for the same person, will be different. One of the things that particularly people using AR-15s have to look out for is your pistol grip angle drastically affects the comfort of using that rifle in different body positions. Make sure that the one you've got matches you and how you're going to shoot. Next item on the list, body position. If you are shooting prone, and you are not shooting, small bore competition, you are not doing something where recoil is not a factor, and you're not using a sling, okay, that's a key factor here, then get your body in line with the rifle as much as possible. You want the rifle's recoil to go down your body. One of the ways this gets taught is stand behind the rifle, crouch down, kneel, walk your legs back. You're in line with the rifle. You never get out of line with the rifle. I think one of the reasons we see that angled body position a lot is that the marksmanship instructors very often practice and teach using small bore. That's a discipline that is very oriented toward training and precision shooting and skills. And that is an environment where that position, that body position at an angle to the rifle absolutely makes sense. That is it. Take care, have fun, stay safe, y'all, and keep shooting.